Stop. If your AI videos still look fake, you're probably making this one simple mistake. Let me show you why. Here's the mistake. Most people write only one sentence and expect Hollywood-quality results. AI simply doesn't have enough information. Professional AI videos don't start with better AI, they start with better instructions. Think like a movie director, not just a prompt writer. And every cinematic AI video follows the same formula. Miss even one, and your results instantly look artificial. But the secret isn't using more AI. It's giving details a director would. That's the difference. And there's one final trick nobody talks about. Here's the final secret. Don't describe the video like a user, direct it like a filmmaker. That's when AI starts creating scenes instead of random clips. Watch this carefully. Same AI, same tool, same creator. It's the difference between creating a video and now you know why most AI videos never look real. AI is not replacing creators. Creators who understand AI are replacing those who don't. Start learning, keep experimenting, and create something amazing. If you want to master AI videos and ChatGPT prompts, follow Saphir AI Studio, and I'll see you in the next lesson.